Buongiorno, I am Edoardo Montresor and we are in the historical cellar of Montresor Winery. And we are here today to talk about a new project. Follow me.
In the 2000, we decided to create a communion between the historical place of our cellars and the most expressive form of art. We opened the cellar to the street artists, giving them the opportunity to freely express themselves by creating an area where they could mix their ambition and talents. You can see the result of the Italian artist Sebastiano Zanetti. And today, Montresor decided to take inspiration from this world to make a new wine, the Wine Urban Park. The wine is a typical Verona blend from Corvina, Corvinone, Rondinella, and produced with the famous technique of Appassimento. The hand behind this wine is complexity, character, but at the same time, drinkability and smoothness. Thanks to the Appassimento process, Wine Urban Park delivers intense red fruit, scents, refined by the freshness of the typical Verona grapes.
The packaging is unique. If you touch the label, you have the same sensation as you touch the concrete wall of the tanks.